Hello viewers, welcome to Harshni's View. Today the topic is 11 reasons why eating eggs is breakfast is healthy for you. Whether boiled, poached or scrambled egg is a healthy breakfast for many people. At the same time, there are many people who believe that a large amount of cholesterol is present in the egg yolk, which can prove to be harmful for health. In such a situation, experts believe that eating the right amount of egg will not harm. Egg is used for the healthy skin, hair and nails. Eggs are rich in vitamin B. In addition to this, it also contains vitamin B12, biotin, riboflavin, thiamine and selenium. So it gives us healthy skin, hair and beautiful nails. The next one is it strengthens the immune system. The two eggs contain 56% selenium, 32% vitamin A, and 14% iron. All these nutrients together strengthen the immune system. There is nothing better than eggs to prevent cold and flu. Eating eggs increases the light of the eye and there is no risk of cataract. Egg must be given to children, it is helpful in their development. Eggs can be eaten at any time in any season. Eggs also fulfill the required fat in the body. By eating egg, it fulfills the required fat in the body and controls its quantity. Consuming one egg per day fulfills the required amount of fat a body in the day. It also helps a lot in controlling your weight. Eggs help a lot in controlling your weight. After eating the egg, your hunger subsides and you avoid overeating. After eating it, your stomach is full and you do not feel hungry. In such a situation, it helps in controlling your weight. The next is egg is also very beneficial for eyes. Carotenoids are replenished by including one egg per day in your diet, which can prevent erosion in the cells of the eye. Apart from this, eating one egg daily also reduces the risk of cataract. Eggs also reducing the chances of blood clotting. According to a research, egg help in reducing the chances of blood clotting in the blood vessels, heart stroke and heart attack. In addition, it is a good source of kaolin, which plays an important role in maintaining the functioning of the brain, nerve and cardiovascular system. The next is egg is a great energy booster. It is a great energy booster, including egg in your breakfast every morning can make you feel energized throughout the day. There are healthy fat present in the yellow part of the egg, which is very helpful in providing energy to the body. The next is egg is a good source of protein. Egg is a good source of protein. Albumin protein is found in it plenty. This will greatly assist in providing the necessary nutrition to meet the deficiency of protein in the body. The next is prevention of breast cancer. Egg is also very helpful for the prevention of breast cancer. According to a research, the risk of breast cancer in women consuming 6 eggs a week was 44% less. The next is strengthening bones. Vitamin D is also found in plenty in eggs, which is very important for strengthening bones. It helps in absorption of sun rays in the body, which makes bones strong. The last one benefit is strengthen the mind. Egg is rich in nutrients. It contains vitamin A, D, B12, riboflavin, phosphorus and folate. All these help in maintaining the body's function smoothly and also strengthen the mind and increases the light of the eyes. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this information, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all. Always stay connected with Hashni's View. Stay safe and stay home. See you. Bye bye. Tata.